Good morning. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October the 3rd, 2023. Just doing a real estate tap-in with you for today. So the big thing for today is that the Treasury bond yield is up. It's like 4.7%. And as that continues to go up, there's usually a relationship between the Treasury bond yield and mortgage rates. And so that spread, what they call the spread, is getting wider. But as that goes up, usually mortgage rates go up as well. So, that's going to put, is that going to sideline more buyers potentially? Probably. Affordability is still an issue, and if interest rates continue to go up, that's going to keep more people most likely on the sideline. But if you're on the seller financing side, even though we a lot of times charge higher than the bank rate, which is right now probably 7, I think as of yesterday it was like 7.4. We usually charge higher than that, but we don't necessarily have the same requirements that the bank has, in terms of getting somebody qualified, and the whole process that the bank goes through. There's a lot more checks and balances. I mean, we do have checks and balances when you are creating or originating, seller finance a note for a buyer. We want to make sure that they can afford, but there's some things that that may not fit, or people that may not fit with the bank, that can then come over to seller financing, and they do pay a premium for that rate because they can't go and get qualified at a bank. So there are people out there like that, and that's why now is a good time to learn about seller finance notes, creating them, maybe taking some of your portfolio, if you're an investor and you have rental property or investment property, to try and create a note on it, because some of the buyers that are being sidelined by the banks because of their requirements are people who couldn't be homeowners. So it's just another reason why private money and creating notes are going to be good during this particular time that the market is going through. Another thing that happened, you're starting to see the stock market lose some value, start to come down, and how long that will continue, don't know. But it is a shifting market. A lot of people that were are in the stock market, you may want to think about doing something a little bit different. And notes, real estate notes, are a great place to be and get yourself solid returns. If you're already in real estate, you may want to think about creating a note on a property, becoming the bank on it. You're still in a good position. You still have an ownership interest in the property. So just something to think about. Do some research on it. You can go to my YouTube page, Abundant Capital Group. There's a bunch of videos on there. Subscribe. We do deal reviews on Thursdays of things that are out there and the type of returns that you can get. So now's the time. So look into it. If you have any questions, be going live at 12:30 today on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can post a comment, post a question on here. We'll get it answered. And then we'll come back tonight about 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully you're settled in, kind of relaxing. And if you want to have, if you have a question, you can pop on, catch me at about 8:30 on Instagram. Ask any question in regards to real estate, the market, or note investing. But note investing is becoming the bank. And I think that people should at least look into it, look at the opportunities that are out there, and see if it fits what you want to do. All right, everybody have a good day. We'll see you back 12:30. If not, we'll see you back maybe at 8:30 on Instagram Live at Abundant Capital Group. Take it easy.